Here's a testimony of what my credit card funding doc can do for you. Tony followed my instructions to the T, and let's take a listen to what she has to say. Dear Tony, she's got some very exciting news to share with everybody out here in YouTube land, so I'm about to let Tony take it away. Tony, what is your exciting news?
I just got approved for $10,000.
Wow.
With Navy Federal.
So when did you apply for the card?
I applied for the card today.
And what did you think you were going to get approved for?
I don't know, maybe $1,000 or something.
And they approved you for $10,000.
Yeah.
Navy Fed being awesome like they are, they approved you for a $10,000 cash reward card.
What? Yeah.
Look at you. Are you still excited?
I'm so excited.
Now that's what I call one happy customer. I'm out.